All right, for those of you who haven't seen the Game Chaser Transom in action here, instead of turning around to get back out to our sweet spot, I am going to back us up at, you know, a little bit of speed. So watch the ride. Okay, so we relocated from over on the other side of the old pier posts that are through there, backing up into some rollers, which should have got a pretty good shot of that on here. We got a little bit of splash over the back, but not much at all. I doubt it's even enough to really pump out. But yeah, these things are incredible for that. If you know, absolutely need to back or trying to work a fish. It's I don't think you can get any better. But so now we're back to fishing.